Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to basically, fix muted mode on TikTok. So one of the reasons why this is happening because if they find out that this video violate intellectual property or other community guidelines, you'll be notified if your sound is removed. So another thing to know if your TikTok video was muted, and basically if you get a flash or a notification that your video has been set to private, your video has been muted because of the copyright owner hasn't made that sound available in your country or region. So this is one of the two reasons why this is happening to you. In order to fix that problem, you can just go back to your screen and then go ahead to the TikTok, and basically what you're gonna see right here, the mute button at the bottom right. Just simply click it. If you haven't noticed it, just go ahead and click it, and you can just go ahead to your inbox and see if there is an appeal right here, or if there is basically a message or notification that your sound has been used to another TikTok video. So you can submit an appeal that I own this music, or I own this whatever it might be, this genre or whatever, right? So you can go another way to fix that problem. You can go ahead to your profile at the bottom right corner, and what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and click the three bars at the top right, and then you're gonna go ahead to the settings and privacy, and basically you're gonna see right here the playback right here, and you're gonna see open TikTok on mute. So the common reason why you can't hear the voice on TikTok, because probably you adjusted the playback to the mute. So whenever you open TikTok, it will be muted. So make sure that you color this one gray or toggle it off so you can see the TikTok with the video, and basically that should fix your problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.